She's so bright.
There's Ashley.
Don't ask me why I'm crying. Just come over and hold me. You know when you start to throw things, it gets relatively scary.
For today's tour of the house, we have replaced Ashley with Rachel because I got mad at her. So here's Raquel's my camera lady. Flip it.
I don't know. Okay.
Anyways, this is my fucking twin bed. No, we got the other one. I'm gonna put them together. Come show the movie.
Wow.
Yeah, pool. Okay, this one we gotta do first with you, my daddy. I got cows. Oh, you can't see them from here. There's cows over there. You know, this reminds me of when people paint their room that green color. This is it. They have nice ceilings.
You got replaced, bitch.
We have Ashley's room.
Hey, it's not fair.
Hey, real quick, in and out, Raquel. We don't record this one.
Oh, you gave us something cool?
I'm just kidding.
It closes.
Throw her out there. What? I don't see a
I hope a bird poops on you.
You press down.
Oh my god.
Oh, it took a minute. That's gonna be a minute. I need pimple.
You're kidding.
This is a master.
What?
You have to pay to eat that.
Okay.
This is the whole big bathroom. That's a huge tub. Okay. Today's vlog is not good.
You already did something?
Here's laundry room. And then here we have Raquel's room.
The best room in the house. How Bowser?
Hi.
This is my bed for one night and then the other nights.
Oh my goodness. Look how pretty it is outside.
Outside?
Yeah. Gorgeous. I don't want other people outside. No. Leave him in. He's gonna want to come in. He's gonna let me in. Anyways, there's a balcony out there. There's Bowser again. There's a nice kitchen. It's another nice view. Look at those green hills. Oh, let's see behind me. That was Bowser. Look at the sky.
How come this grass isn't good like the other one?
This is Austria grass, not Switzerland grass. Cute little yellow house. And then, before my camera dies, kitchen with another nice view. Yeah, that kitchen is cute. And pantry and fridge in here. And that's it. Thank you, Rachel. What are we pointing at? Just skylights. Raquel has one, I guess, too. Oh, Bowser and
Hello? Yes, the bad bitch is here.
Shut the fuck up.
It's a camera.
There goes Bowser. Alone right now because Rocio and everyone else want to go get food. Since I was kind of tired. Okay, let me show Bowser. You can't see him. He's laying in the room. I don't know if he's scared of the fireworks that are going on, or he just misses Rocio and Andres because I'm the only one here. But I want to show you fireworks. Okay, let's see if they show up. It is so dark out here. Aww, I wonder if the fireworks show is done. My car just flipped it. Okay, never mind. Let me try to show you fireworks. That is it. So orangey. Lame. I tried to get it on camera. It didn't work. Okay. Wait till I get back with food.
We bought it at the store because we were making huevos. No, the sushi house didn't have any things. They didn't have any, like,
I just got out the shower. Everyone's asleep. But now I can show you the view. Bowser's up. I opened this whole window. And there's like cows over there. I don't know if we'll be able to zoom into them. But there's nothing there. So pretty. We're going on a walk. Do you see that bunny? You can't see it moving right now. Right there. See his little ears? It's hopping.
how far?
Just right across right here in the middle.
Oh, I
see
see
it?
it.
Yeah.
This white fluffy
I know,
cat. It's
cows.
just pretty big.
I know.
Ready? Let him go. Go. I didn't want to. My turn. I got happy.
Sweat. The view. It's back better.
Many lies that I've told, and many secrets that I hold.
It's a nice view out here.
Not ready to see the truth unfold. Didn't know that time could go so